we've got something different in the workshop today. Let's go and take a look. So welcome back to another video, and as I mentioned, we've got a different car in the workshop, Yaris GR. Initially, I was never too keen on the original sound from the exhaust.
When you get up to the top of the revs, you get a funny little whistle kind of buzz from the three-cylinder engine. I'm not sure if I like that one yet.
But this one's already been improved with a Milltek system, so you'll hear from some of those sound clips what the car now sounds like. But today, the car's in with us to have that exhaust changed out for a different brand. Let's go and see what we've got. Let's take a quick look over the exhaust that we're taking off the car. Obviously the Milltek got a big diameter heading right back to the middle section here. And after speaking to the customer and really understanding why he's changing the exhaust, it's mainly to change the tone of the exhaust for the rear passengers. So the Milltek exhaust, as I mentioned, has got big diameter, and the Fujitsubo that we're about to fit, slightly smaller, so we should get a change in tone. So I haven't done myself too much of a favour in doing the road test beforehand, because as you imagine, the exhaust is pretty hot now. So I'll get the gloves on and get this system off the car. So we've got the Fujitsubo unboxed now, and you can see how they've got such a good reputation for the craftsmanship that goes into their work. We fitted many of the FK8 systems in the past, but this is the first Yaris system that we've seen. Again, we sell a lot of parts for the Yaris, and they usually go out shipped worldwide, but we don't get too many of them into the workshop. So again, good to get first hand with this exhaust and see the workmanship that's gone into them. If you look closely, you can see the welds and some of the finishing around the back of the pipes. It just looks like somebody spent a lot of time perfecting this. So we'll get this fitted up to the car, carry on some sound clips, and get a comparison of the two. So with the car still up in the air, we can have a look around the exhaust and see some of the differences between the Milltek system and the Fujitsubo. The Milltek system had a 75mm diameter pipe, whereas this pipework here is 70mm. So there should be a little bit of a sound difference. Let's get the car dropped down and see how it sounds. The exhaust fitted up now, so we're going to get out on road tests and get a couple of sound clips captured. So let us know what you think in the comments below. If you're interested in either the Milltek or the Fujitsubo, we'll drop a link in the description to both products below. Hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you want to show your support, give the video a like, hit the subscribe button and share it amongst your friends. If you want to go the extra step, we've just launched our new baseball caps on the website this week, so we'll drop a link to those in the description below. Thanks for watching. Fujitsubo is one of a Fujitsubo. So we've got the Fujitsubo unboxed now, and you can see some of the quality that's trying.